This video covers DIY concrete pool deck resurfacing. Here's what you need to know. Beginning with DIY concrete pool deck resurfacing. Use spray deck or cool deck texture. It reflects heat so you don't burn your feet. Quick answer: pool deck concrete needs slip-resistant finish, broom or textured stamp, proper slope for drainage, and cool surface treatment in hot climates. Expect 10 to 24 per square foot. On DIY concrete pool deck resurfacing, complete guide resurfacing pool decks requires special textures that stay cool. Use spray deck or cool deck texture. It reflects heat so you don't burn your feet. Understanding these textures ensures comfortable, safe pool decks. Moving to the problem: hot decks. Burns feet, can burn bare feet. Uncomfortable, too hot to walk on. On cool deck, similar texture, similar to spray deck. Cool surface, designed to stay cool. For more information or to request a free estimate, visit localconcretecontractor.com.